I think say Enra, I laid this premise about Florentino Perez ankasa any the way a RODRI operations is required. First of all, Enra me catch you. Say RODRI was part of Florentino Perez in the opponents in the election, in the campaign message. And he said, on tiasia, obefano tra, but enye tra sa, if you know how these clubs or more elections, is it here. Obia wujidi say, player be makwain emma a presidential candidate emfane nye campaign, abra onenu ni some understanding be. Into Florentino Perez, who say require me the RODRI year campaign in a way suspected say maybe a RODRI in the crown as one opponent camp, even though it may be very very light suspect crown a idea was say you throw to her. Now during RODRI Ballon d'Or no issues no so no, the Real Madrid year was led by the president. And it's our undertones, so any idea you can just wake up and throw it away, say as a BBNC. And Real Madrid went cold on RODRI's situation until after the World Cup. I'm not telling about boy or the best player. Then Jose Mourinho so buy no. And no so. Ebe twa nam to so sabranti RODRI sam say ye betimi anya come ni beje hu mo de ba enye bad come ni beje hu pa among all the midfielders mo suggest to me say RODRI ka hu dia, why not him? He's well established. And therefore Florentino Perez had to say okay, for the best interest of the club mo see enko fa abranti na me no mo ya adwen, so let's lead the operations now. Now, Rich, according to a source very close to Real Madrid, I say, look, it is not a matter of say, and can Real Madrid per brand and come close, and come close, chapter way that. After Real Madrid, the situation say Man City beji omo 60 million. Now almost so no word ribenya omo personal terms, Then came Juni Califat. Sabaha Real Madrid transactions so we on transfer market in nyina ono any ore fe no Ayala Sanchez and omo business no. Enti Juni Califat na beka chef for Florentino Perez what do you do now Man City for the day no? I can beat it down. What do you can 1 year? Sebi was saying ni kakra. Nonsense was our injury situations. And see a show say a desperate say a pabrantiana and a Man City didn't be. We are the only team I have. It's opa. My new mundi hide and seek kaka. And trust me, see no mundi hide and seek now. One as my fafu me. I went to Monte so many percent Casania me fan. And Tibet me a BT price in down. And no, and a just a gabona. I'm a young who say Real Madrid a close what we chapter no. As omo penny dear, but the way I'm going first person they will close that chapter no na a delay no. Rich, I didn't need delay na and I say oh Man City for so unum. Their money here and their money here you but yen. Ye gitum passes a RODRI or you available on the market. Other clubs will be interested in him. And umpa money need the money in Obi Baba. So Man City told RODRI agent they say Abrantia no so on extending the contract to her. And he said no pass oko. It is a mupa Real Madrid for the Omoyeno. Suggest RODRI to other teams. Now Omunya interest say Abrantia no Omoni Real Madrid the Ebi anu ti na mo obi anya na say oh akara Real Madrid nti. But say o start say o na meche now suggesting to other teams no mo say Abrantia ni available. Okay. We will get suitors. Rich. Yes say one Barcelona for no so oh okay Abrantia no when Real Madrid the when Sadia ye interested. So Deco Hansi Flick all spoke to RODRI on phone. say I just say so on Real Madrid in way. So on any dia. Now there's an opportunity so beba dia. Yanka see a place bebre omoni wa na bonus na team no. Omodi one dance say oni bo bo. And you say ye betimi aye adwuma na mo aba dia. Give us the go ahead. Ni intimate and also why not? Barcelona one club a misumi nya mebo. Oni has to flick it in come on in the car tactics ni bibia no hu say oh me bo ni city mo kra mo ti samumedi nkoma na ebe fa. Now Athletic Air report say Man City best started or negotiation around 80 million. And Fabrice also a report say Barcelona initial second so person money cut them to operations so no around 45 million. Okay. In say Hona in 70 million. Okay. The go ahead, the green light has been given by RODRI. Okay. Barcelona for Belgium my branch and say Hona Bebo. Okay. Akase Barcelona any Man City ever reach agreement on which price? Then the personal terms and so no Barcelona will be able to deal with it. Obi a workers anasa Barcelona sikasa munti ahia no mantimi an close din no cre. Obi a nim say Barcelona will sikasam issues but rich sa issues na Barcelona keep closing sa gap no. And it will not be an issue. Okay. Say if they get Abrantia friend RODRI and Barcelona nya RODRI so it will not affect or pursue for Abrantia friend Wallen over. So that is where it stands now. May I also say if you chine could be there will be updates on Sikasem send ye be Jane Sanoman but now there Rich exactly that is what is happening.
All right, yamrefia na yentua so mfemfiri